On Thursday, Law Secretary Bishwajit Pal initiated the oath-taking ceremony of the 3 newly appointed TTA-DC EM held at Nuai Auditorium Hall organized by the TTA-DC CU CK Jamatia. On the last Legislative Assembly election, 2 EM of the TTA-DC became MLA after winning the election. With that, 2 constituencies of the EM posts of TTA-DC were left empty. The ADC government has taken the initiative to make the 3 MDCs as ministers in all the 3 empty constituencies of EM. On Thursday, 3 MDCs took their oath for newly appointed as the TTA-DC EM. The newly appointed EMs are MDC Runiel Debbarma, MDC Rabindra Debbarma, MDC Ananta Debbarma. Law Secretary Bishwajit Pal initiated the oath-taking ceremony of the 3 newly appointed TTA-DC EM held at Nuai Auditorium Hall organized by TTA-DC CEU CK Jamatia. The chairman of TTA-DC Jagadish Debbarma, CEM Purnachandra Jamatia, MLA Animas Debbarma, member of the Administrative Reform Committee of ADC Bijoy Kumar Rangkhol, and other EM and MDCs of the ADC were present at the oath-taking ceremony.
Kubui tei khorok bomui sajao ang Bharatni phan keplai tei kethalai mungno khapang khulasa khlai hori tongnai ano bobjak achuk dam Tripura sundok bulok baikang naikoljak hangkor kokjak nokni chariphang adom okra chariphang adom ni samungno beba borokni bagai keboni bukhat payai eba Kirima keri khailai eba baksano chadago tei baksano chadagya khalayai eba kebono khoroksa bai gedalei eba kujak samungno tangla eba kebono khorok sabai gedalei tei kujak samungno tangla kok hangkor koksa nokni chariphang adom okra eba chariphang adom okra ungui kerongni bisingtui ano samung yaphak jakmani eba ang saimankai o samung tangpru kebabai dadak sidak eba kok rekel saklak hambai jotono khulumbai ka
Musang Rabindra Debbarma Tripura samulok baithang naikoljak hangkor koksapni sarifang adong chongjagui kaitoni mungui samai tangi sawo raijatui chongjak Bharatni elembakno borong tei poito narugui ano bokjak samung rokno khabai khubaino tanai
Musang Runiel Debbarma Tripura samulok baithang naikoljak hangkor kokchapni charibang adong chongjagui kaitonni mungri samai tangi sajawo raijati chongjak Bharatni elembakno borong tei poitonargi alo bokjak samung rokno khabai khukbai tanglai hambai
ini MDC ni bisingo ke kha koine koroi bo boni personal samung ni bagai bo hoito khoroksa tone phaimali angkhana peba chini bisingo jotono ek niro jotono nogo jeng koyek din age ne joto jeng chini unity jeng phuno rakha chini thangcha phuno rakha jeng media rongno ang sanai ni muchugo chini bisingo joto unity tongphano kacha koichu media rogono jebabe divide family hai phonongmani bangai ang borokno bon koina ni muchugo thancha tongrona ni angthung tani ke boroni personal samung bai borok hoito tini absent angkhana amo kono kok ya je ang tini bo kok salaijak joto MDC bai borok joto no sawo ব্যক্তিগত কারণে তিনি ফাইমে হানৈ বেবাই ম্যাক্সিমাম যতন ফাইকা এক দুইজন বাদক খাকে যতন ফাইকা
স্যার এই যে খরকাম
Department taxes ra allocation khaje ko borok tini just EM hisebe borok samung khaika support nakha koi dino maharaja phaimani yagulo borona department allocation khaje.
However, their departments were not distributed on that day at the oath-taking ceremony. They will be given their departments after the tea promoter chairman arrives in the state. An astounding number of people were present at the oath-taking ceremony. Reported by Pravir from Khumulung, Chini, Khorang.